Hello, this is the installation video of the Logitech H390 headset. As you can see here, this is the wired one. It has a USB cord. So this product's from Amazon. I think it costs about $25, so it was really cheap. So I had a customer that requested for me to make an adapter. As you could tell, it's pretty uncomfortable, probably if you wear it a long time, as it is on the ear. It sits on the ear. And I was requested to make an adapter that converts the on the ear to over the ear. So I took out one of the factory foam, and as you can see, here's the adapter. It'll be printed in black, but I'm using white here to contrast so it's easy to see during the installation that I'm about to show you. So the whole idea is for this, if you can see the shape of it, there's 4 little notches on top. I don't know what we call these little notches. They would sit inside these 4 notch or recessed rectangular pieces here, these small rectangular piece. They would sit flush, and you would dab some crazy glue onto the surface there to make that mount permanent. So as you can see, I'm going to do a dry fit on here, and it sits flush. And there we go. See, there is no play. And you can see all around it sits flush. So once there and it's been crazy glued, you leave that to set. It should stay there permanently. As you can see, there's clearance between the on top surface and the actual sound output here. And once that's done being glued on, you would peel the sticker from. If this is an optional purchase, so and we give the dimension, the diameter of this, but this would be an optional purchase. You would stick on your foam pad or this foam pad right onto there and get the orientation to the way you like. So, and that now converts from on the ear to a much more comfortable over the ear. And pretty much kind of do the same thing on this side, remove the foam and repeat. So pretty simple. Hopefully that helps you. Thanks for watching.